know how window tint is made?
No, I did not actually.
Nope.
I don't know how it's made.
No idea how it's made.
If you don't know how LLumar window films are made, you're not alone. Today, my new friend Bruce here is going to take us inside to get a closer look at the process.
That's right, let's go take a look.
Woohoo!
For a standard window film product, we would typically have the dyed layer. It has a metallized layer. It's all laminated together with adhesives. It has scratch-resistant coatings and it has pressure-sensitive adhesives on it. The process actually starts with dyeing, where we take a polyester film and we infuse dyes into the film itself. We also use raw films and we evaporate aluminum metal onto them in order to get better performance and higher reflectivity.
That's where that heat rejection comes in.
That's exactly right. From there, we take those two over to laminating and we stick them together, and then we put additional coatings on either side, whether they be scratch resistant or pressure sensitive adhesives or whatever. It actually is different adhesives whether it's an automotive or an architectural product. And this all happens here at the finishing machine.
This is intense. I had no idea all these steps went into this film. So that is how it's done. Stay tuned, we'll be back with another inside look at LLumar.